Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make these Halloween chocolate covered strawberries and chocolate covered pretzels. I had a lot of fun making these, so let's get started with the video. First, we're going to clean our strawberries by placing them in a bowl of warm water with some baking soda. Then we're going to let our strawberries sit in the water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Soaking your strawberries in water and baking soda will get rid of any pesticides. Once you've finished soaking your strawberries, give it a good rinse and then dry your strawberries thoroughly. Once you've finished drying your strawberries, melt your chocolate. Add your chocolate in a bowl and then add some coconut oil. Adding the coconut oil is totally optional. I just like to use it because it makes the chocolate thinner, smoother, and easier for dipping. Then place your chocolate in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Once you take it out of the microwave, make sure to stir it around a bit just to make sure that all the chocolate has melted. When you've finished, set your chocolate to the side. In a large bowl, add hot water. Then add the bowl with your melted chocolate in the bigger bowl with the hot water. This step is totally optional, but I like to do it because the hot water will keep the chocolate from becoming hard. That way you can just take your time with the chocolate, plus you don't have to place it in the microwave a bunch of times, causing your chocolate to seize up. When you finish melting all of your chocolate, go ahead and start dipping your strawberries. Grab your strawberries by its leaves and then dip it into the chocolate. Make sure you coat as much of the strawberry as you can in chocolate. When you're finished, shake off the excess chocolate and then set your strawberry to the side on some parchment paper. Repeat this process until you've coated all of your strawberries in chocolate. I decorated this one by pouring sprinkles on it before the chocolate had dried. That way, once the chocolate dries, the sprinkles will stay on the strawberry. To decorate the next strawberry, I added some black food coloring into the chocolate, and then I swirled it around with a skewer stick. You can also use a toothpick if you want. After I finished swirling around the black food coloring, I added some orange food coloring and swirled that around as well. Then I dipped my strawberry in while twisting it at the same time. I thought this gave the strawberry a really cool look. Now place a piping bag or a Ziplock bag into a cup. Placing it in a cup makes it easier to pour in your chocolate. Once your chocolate's in a piping bag, you can go ahead and decorate the rest of your strawberries. Okay, so when you're cutting the tip on your piping bag or Ziploc bag, make sure it's super tiny. I made mine too big, so when I was piping on the faces onto my strawberries, it came out a bit sloppy. For the skeleton, I basically piped on 2 dots and then 2 smaller dots under those dots, a smile, and some vertical lines over the smile. Piping on the pumpkin face was hard. I needed a smaller tip, but I didn't realize that at the time. So a smaller tip would help you make the faces better. The Frankenstein face was actually the easiest, I think. It was just like a bunch of lines and some dots, so. Oh, and I added some hair on top, but you can barely see the hair. The next one I piped was just supposed to look like a certain red liquid was dripping off the strawberry. When I was decorating this chocolate strawberry, I basically just drizzled 2 different colored chocolates over it and then I added some sprinkles. Now we're going to create a mummy chocolate strawberry. So basically I just drizzled some white chocolate over a white chocolate strawberry. After the chocolate dried, I added 2 ice sprinkles that I added chocolate on the back of. Alright, now with the rest of the chocolate, you can make some chocolate covered pretzels. Place your melted chocolate in a tall and skinny cup and then coat your pretzel rod. When coating your pretzel rod, it might help to tilt the cup and turn your pretzel rod so it's completely coated. When you're finished, you can go ahead and start decorating your pretzels by pouring sprinkles on them or drizzling chocolate. When you finish decorating your pretzels and all your chocolate has dried, go ahead and plate everything up. And this is the finished result. I had a lot of fun making these chocolate strawberries and chocolate covered pretzels. It totally made me excited for Halloween. I'm not perfect at making chocolate covered strawberries, so I still need a lot of practice. This was my first time piping on designs on the chocolate covered strawberries. I think I did pretty good, but I still need a lot of practice. I did get an opportunity to learn from my mistakes, so I know what to do to make the chocolate covered strawberries better when I'm piping on designs. The chocolate covered strawberries and the pretzels were absolutely delicious. I think we ate them all in like 2 days. Oh, and I was watching Halloween movies while I made these, and it totally got me into the spirit. Comment down below what your favorite Halloween movie is. My favorite Halloween movies are Coraline, Paranorman, Hocus Pocus, and Zombieland. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!